Hi, my name is Jeremy.
And I'm Stacia.
We were teaching level 2, mixing 6 and 8 count month, the first part of this session. And we we investigated the differences between some 6 count moves and some 8 count moves. A couple that we started with was a 6 count down the line where the leader goes first, the follower stays back, and then the follower comes along. And a circle, which has a similar shape, but it is in 8 counts. We talked about the differences between those moves. And then we did these other two, where the follower goes first, and then the leader goes next. And we also did the promenade, where we extended that to 8 counts. Everyone did a wonderful job. We had a lot of cool observations, and people are really getting this. We'll investigate more moves next week.